Today we learn body parts name, okay? Yes. Tell me, where is your hair? Okay, where is your hands? Eyes? Nose? Teeth? Hands? Lips? Legs? Arm? Cheek, where is your cheek? Neck? Face, where is your face? Thumb? Fingers? Chest? Ankle? Okay.